All right, we are at the AWS console. Let's start the static website hosting, everything from the scratch. We'll go to S3. We need S3 because we need to keep the HTML files, especially the error page and the landing page. So we'll click on create bucket. So let's give it a name, Cloud Guru Amit. Let's go down. Let's uncheck this. We need this thing. I acknowledge. We don't need versioning. Everything looks good. Let's create a bucket now. Okay, someone took my name. Let's create something, give it a number. Let's now try to create this one. All right, so now the bucket is created. So let's now upload the files which are present on my computer. So we have basically two files, index.html. Let me show you what it has. So you can create these files. Index.html is our landing page, right? If you want to create such HTML file, just open a notepad, put name of the file and see if the extension is .html because the type is .html. Similarly, create another notepad, another HTML file for the error page, because let's say if there is a website, if someone mistypes the website, so it will display an error. So let's now upload these files. Let's click on upload. Let's browse these files on our computer. So let's select both the files, error and index. I'll get down to you like explain bucket policy in a moment, but let's now first upload these files because these are required. Let's click on upload. It takes a while. Okay, so we got the two files. Now let's go back to the bucket itself. So in the buckets, let's check the permission tab. Under permission tab, we have the bucket policy. So we need to put a bucket policy for get objects. So we need to put the correct name of our bucket. It will be 007 because we didn't get this name as mentioned. So let's copy paste this thing. I've already done the homework. Let's click on edit. Let's paste it. Yep, so we have successfully pasted. Let's delete one extra line. Click on save changes. So we have edited the bucket policy. Now we need to enable the static website hosting. We need to go to properties first. Then we need to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here we can see, like, by default the static website is disabled here. Let's click on edit. Let's now select enable. So here as you can see, like we need to mention the landing page and the error file exactly how it is. So let's duplicate this. You can name it anything basically, but the file should be in our S3 bucket basically. So if we go to our S3 bucket, you can see the name index.html and error.html. So let's give it the exact name. Better to copy paste because it's easy to copy paste. Let's copy paste. Let's copy paste the error.html as well. Let's paste it. Looks good. So let's click on save changes now. So yeah, we are almost done. So if we scroll down a bit, all the way down, here we'll get one link. So let's click on this button. So yeah, Cloud Guru Amit welcomes you. This was our landing page. Let's now duplicate this page to check whether the error.html works or not. Let's give it a slash and I'll type some random thing which is, I know, is not defined, so it should technically give an error page. Let's check it out. Yep, we got error 404. So this is our error page, Cloud Guru error. It's very easy to implement static website hosting using S3. Just remember that Amazon S3 is generally used for static website hosting, and generally we used Cloud Front as well regarding it, but we'll cover it later in this section.